Guys, we are very fresh from the shower, guys. And, naalala ko lang na meron palang binigay si Michelle sa amin na pantulog. This is like her Christmas gift sa amin, guys, nung dumating kami. So, here it is. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ko pa ito napakita sa inyo. Ding! This is the shorts. Tapos, ito yung top. And actually, gusto ko siyang suotin. Sige, suotin natin. This is the fit, guys. Super cute. We are very colorful. And then, maluwag siya. So, very comfortable sa ating, pantulog. I'm just gonna cut this one here. Apil pa rin buhok ko ron. Ay, parang hindi natin na-remove. Ayan! That's our new pantulog. Tapos, meron pang slippers. Here you go! Very cute and fluffy na slippers. So cute! Ang cute, ay! Napaka-cute. Guys, we have pizza! Ang sarap! Na-miss ko to from Domino's Pizza, guys. Tapos meron pa tayong mga chicken. Oh my God, kalami. First one. Uy. Open sesame. First one, girl. Next one. Ooh, ito spicy. Hala, uy. Alam niyo ba, masarap yung chicken ng, Domino's. Look. Oh my God, so good. The pizza. Ooh, favorite Hawaiian with cheesy crust. Yan yun. You see that? That's cheese. Oh my God, ang sarap. Okay, let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Dito tayo, guys. Hindi natin pakita si Michelle kasi may secret siya. Let's eat. My God, sarap naman. Sarap mag-start sa chicken, pero i-start ko na ito. Uy, magubo. Wala na isla tarong. Ooh, init pa. I'll show you. I'm hungry. Sarap talaga yung Domino's Pizza, eh. Mura pa. How much is this one? 30. 30 for everything. This one is the beer. Buffalo. Buffalo chicken. Lagay ko na salo eh. Madunta to sila sa nuna. So good. Guys, itry natin yung isang chicken nila. This is the peri-peri. Peri-peri. Sarap din. Good, good, good. Right? Watch muna kami. What are you gonna watch? Yung mungo! Sure ka, my girl. isa dito kasi natulog na yung ating kasama. Nag-watch kami ng movie and then after that, ayun, natulog na siya. So, I'm actually watching what they found in the deepest place on Earth, which is the Mariana Trench. Tapos may, ano pa pala guys? May deeper pa pala. May deeper pa pala sa Mariana Trench, which is the Challenger Deep Sea. Amazing. Anyway, I received this one today. Feeling ko, matagal ko na ito na-order. Ngayon na siya dumating. And I cannot remember what it is. Ay, alam ko na guys. So, I'm not sure if familiar kayo, pero lagi talagang nagpapakita sa akin yung Wosado na magnetic eyelashes. And I was like, it's super expensive. And parang hindi ko ma-justify. Like, it's 89 AUD. Sabi ko, mahal naman yan. And sabi kasi ni ate na it can be very heavy sa eyelashes mo. So, I was like, itry ko muna nga sa iba. Kasi, tinatamad ako mag-cluster eyelashes. So, gusto ko yung the easiest way possible na makapaglagay ako ng, tanggal siya. Yung applicator. Easiest way possible na makakalagay ako ng something sa aking eyelashes na hindi masyadong, time-consuming. So, itry natin ito. Natanggal naman yung down na part na Meron siyang up and down. I-try natin ngayon. Ngayon Ay, grabe naman. Super thick naman ito, guys. So, we actually have 2 pairs of eyelashes. So, yan yung first one. And then, yan yung second one. I think I would go for the second one. Kasi lumalaban naman talaga yung first one. Grabe naman talaga siya ka-thick. And for sure, because I'm wearing eyeglasses, hindi siya pwede. Anyway, meron ba itong mirror? It would be very good if meron itong... merong mirror, guys. This is just from Temu. Feeling ko sa Temu ko lang to in order. Anyway, hindi ako nakapaglagay ng oil sa aking buhok. Hindi ako marunong. Pero let's see. Kasi magnetic daw to eh. So, paano ba? Okay, so up. I don't even know kung paano siya ilagay. I think so. Ganyan. Or other way around. So this is the up, and this is the down. So I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right. Pag pinapakita nila sa atin, sobrang easy lang talaga gawin eh. So let's see. Alright. Hindi na magnet man. Okay, one more time. Ganito na yung itsura niya. What the heck? Hindi nagsistick. Ano ba yan? Okay. Again! My goodness! This is for the 4th attempt. So wrong. Let's see. I think we got it now. Feeling ko na gets ko na. For the 6th time. Guys, na-attach ko siya, pero tingnan nyo. Ay, kaloka naman talaga at mali naman talaga. Okay, last. Last na talaga to guys, no? Parang nakuha na naman natin yung last pero mali lang yung positioning niya. This is it. Lumalaban. Wait. Hindi ko naman kayo makita. Ay. Sumusobra naman din siya. Okay. Sakit. Guys, ito na yung first one, guys. And I feel like meron talagang nakapatong sa aking eyelashes. Although, nafe-feel ko naman yung konti sa cluster eyelashes. But this one, mas apparent talaga na nakalutang lang talaga siya. But how does it look like? Okay ba? Ilagay natin yung isa. Okay. Ito na naman, nakalutang. Okay. Anyari? It is a no for me. Hindi siya. It's not giving. So, magka-cluster lashes na lang pala talaga ako because this one, ewan ko na lang talaga kung paano siya mag-work. Parang yung iba parang very easy lang i-apply, no? Pero hindi pala. Parang ang hirap pala. Ano ba yan? Good morning. Yung very early sugal.
Very early sa Zia Murad yung isang orasa.
Wow. May naglilinis sa kwarto. So, dito. Kick out kami. Kick out. This is unbelievable. Let's go. This one naman. I did finish my food. Guys, we're getting ready for work. Today is 42 degrees! Boom! Alam niyo, magiging okay yung temperature dito sa Monday pa. And today is Friday. 3 more days. Duty tayo ng afternoon na mainit. Maginit. Still very early. It's 1:30. Duty natin is alas 2. Ba, early tayo pupunta sa work kasi baka mag-struggle tayo sa parking ngayon. And sobrang init nga, dapat closer tayo sa ED. Hello guys! Good afternoon everyone! Kakatapos ko lang ng aking morning shift today. Andito tayo sa town nila. Tayo ay mag-grocery guys kasi may gala tayo in the next few days. And si Michelle yung in charge sa pagluluto. So, ayan, si Madam. We are just gonna go to Nice Indian. Ano siya, Asian store. Let's go! The search for the bangus. Guys, next stop natin, nandito tayo sa isa na namang Asian store. Uncle ni Michelle. Is it not? Hindi pala daw to Asian store. Ano ba yun?
Fruit and veggie store.
Is it? Okay, fruit and veggie store.
Italian sa sigaran.
Sige, basta Uncle Monkeys guys. May mga prutas, mga veggies. Let's go! Let's go, girl! Very cutie. Oh, that's so cute. So cute, Sultana. Manini? My Lord. Grabe ka dako, Lord. Saan naman tao ni? Grabe, tulog ka mo. How? We're done here? Are we done here? Goals? Okay. Kala ko this is our last stop, but Michelle has a long list today. Our chef for the trip. Are you the chef for the trip? Or the trip? Gara. Guys, we are home. Ang tayo ay nag-a-arrange na. Medyo madami yung ating binili kasi nga para ito sa aming get-together in the next 3 days? In the next 3 days. So, marami. Ito. We are gonna start with this.
Ano, mag-ball pa din siya.
Yeah, manakagkuhan. Arrange. Isa-isa. Guys, I went to the toilet and wala na akong na-vlog. Wala na guys. At na-arrange na ni Madam. Anyway, we're having a red rooster. I'm so hungry. I'm so dehydrated. Hindi ko ina-expect. Ang tagal pala ng lakaw. Lakad namin ni Michelle ngayon. And I'm tired, girl. I came from a morning shift. Ayan. Meron tayong manok. Kapoy ba yung okay. Guys, kain tayo. Malag mas flavorful bitaw the dapit dito sa ano, liquor jelly ko. This is our snack before I take a nap. Suman na sila lakaw.
Wala pa, nagmapa.